Hello, welcome back to our channel. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast can boost your energy, focus, and overall well being. In this video, we are going to show you 5 easy and nutritious breakfast ideas that are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whether you are in a rush or have time to sit down and enjoy a meal, there is something for everyone. Number 1, eggs. Some people might not be huge fans of eggs, but they are a nutrient packed food that should definitely be a part of your breakfast. And the good news is, you don't have to stick to just boiled eggs. Egg muffins loaded with veggies and cheese or a quick scramble are great alternatives. Research shows that eggs are rich in high quality protein, vitamins, and minerals like vitamin D and B12 which help with muscle repair, energy levels, and brain health. Studies have also found that starting your day with eggs can keep you feeling full for longer, which helps control appetite throughout the day. So, if you are not into boiled eggs, try a more creative approach. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Study shows that probiotic in yogurt can improve digestion and strengthen immunity. Pairing it with berries adds antioxidants that help fight inflammation, while a drizzle of honey provides natural sweetness. It's a quick and wholesome way to fuel your day. Number 3, whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a quick and nutritious breakfast option packed with fiber and essential nutrients. It's perfect for pairing with toppings like mashed avocado, nut butter, or a poached egg. Whole grains support heart health and help you keep full longer, making this a great start to your day. Number 4, quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is not just for lunch or dinner, it's a fantastic breakfast grain too. Rich in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, quinoa can be a great base for a savory breakfast bowl. Add avocado, a poached egg, and some veggies for a balanced and nutrient dense meal. Number 5, oatmeal banana pancakes. Oatmeal banana pancakes are a wholesome, gluten free alternative to traditional pancakes. They are made by blending rolled oats, ripe bananas, eggs, and a touch of baking powder to create a smooth batter. These pancakes are naturally sweetened by the bananas and packed with fiber from the oats. Top them with fresh fruit, honey, or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a satisfying and nutritious breakfast. Research shows that oats can help lower cholesterol and support heart health, while bananas provide potassium and natural energy. And that's all. With these 5 healthy breakfast options, you can start your day the right way. Whether you need something quick or you have time to enjoy a hearty meal, these ideas will fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to stay energized and focused. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas. See you in the next video.